welcome to Sage EduDays 4. So we'll do introductions in a minute and find out who everybody is and why everybody's here, but I think I'll just say a few words about what's going on. Primarily, these 3 days are being funded as part of this NSF grant that we call Utmost. So we've had 4 universities test driving Sage materials using Sage in the classroom, and we're adding 4 more to that group. So we've got people from 4 universities who are experienced and a lot of other experience in the room teaching with Sage. And then we've got some people that are just getting started. There's a wide variety of experience and in different roles, different things people have done with Sage. We've got some people programming as part of the notebook development workshop this week with people that are relatively new to Sage. We have the founder of Sage, Sage developer number 1. So we've got a little bit of everything, people that are interested in systems and building and people that are really interested in using Sage in different ways in the classroom. So we'll have some talks in the morning, and the rest of the day is pretty unstructured, and people can work in groups, work on projects. There's probably somebody around that can answer your question, and maybe not the first person you ask, but they might know where to point you and who to talk to if you're stuck on something or want to learn a little bit more about some use of Sage, especially in your teaching. So lots of food in the back. Feel free to anytime get up and replenish your snacks. We'll keep the schedule sort of updated on the wiki, so keep an eye on that as we go. We're going to have one more talk on Thursday with some tech stuff with the Sage single cell server and Interact database, so that will go up shortly. Wireless, my phone number if you get lost or something like that. There's a room right behind us, so the people that are here are sort of primarily for notebook development. If you're welcome to stay at the talks, but if they're not of interest to you and you'd rather be coding, there's some great spaces just on the other side of the wall. Lots of power around the edge of the room, so you can go there. If you want coffee or something, a vague map out of the building and down sort of the basement of Odegard Undergraduate Library, there's By George Cafe. That's open until about 3. Any sort of procedural questions before we move on to introductions? Yes.
What time are we planning to start Thursday and Friday?
I was thinking we might start at 9 on Thursday because we're going to add another talk in there, and maybe we'll make Friday 9:30 like today, if that's all right. So I'll try and get that updated in the next little bit. Anything else procedural or logistical? All right, so introductions, certainly say